everyone, welcome to a new video. So in today's video I wanted to share with you my last few moments from Bergen. So it was our last day in Bergen. We were only there for the weekend. On our first day we went to Floyen. We took the funicular up there, then we explored the city as well. And then on the second day we took a fjord cruise. So we went to Mostrømmen fjord. We took the fjord cruise, we explored the city, then in the evening we went to Magic Ice. So it was really 2 beautiful days here in Bergen. On our last day actually we had our flight to catch later in the evening, but we still had kind of full day, so we decided to visit a museum here in Bergen. So in this video I wanted to share with you what I got up to on my last day here in Bergen. So I hope you enjoyed. I'm not in Bergen at the moment, as you can see. I'm in the house. I'm putting together these videos, the last video from Bergen. So I've got some guides here that I'm referring to as I put these videos together. So I hope you enjoy this video. After enjoying a nice breakfast at High Hostel Montana, we took a bus to head to the city center to visit the Hanseatic Museum here in Bergen. So at the Hanseatic Museum, you can find the footprints that Hanseatic, which is German merchants, left behind in Bergen and Northern Europe. So German merchants arrived here in the middle of 1200th century. So this museum is about 2 merchant houses in Bergen. So it's a complex history of several Hanseatic assembly rooms, cook house, and various other things that we wanted to explore here at the museum. I particularly enjoyed walking through this old-fashioned cookhouse, and it was interesting to see how people cooked in those days. And after we explored the museum, we headed to the small streets of Bergen to see the local shops, and they were so beautiful. There was this reindeer cart here, I suppose, and then we saw these little souvenir houses. So they look so cute, like all houses, even the real houses in Norway look pretty cute. And then we saw this little shop where they sold even more souvenirs here from Norway. And this shop, I think it's called Trollywood. So I know about the Hollywood, I know about the Dollywood, but Trollywood was something new. And truly you can find all sorts of trolls here. And afterwards we headed to IKEA because we still had some time to kill, and we could use our Bergen card to go to IKEA. And the IKEA is located in the most picturesque setting here in Bergen. So as we headed to IKEA, we saw it was located, there was a mountain behind, so we decided to explore that general sort of neighborhood first. We found this truck. It looks like it's already ready for winter to come. So we explored that neighborhood. It was really beautiful. We saw some really nice houses, and what I noticed here is that the graveyards are located all along the houses in all the neighborhoods, so which is pretty interesting. After exploring the area, we headed back to IKEA because we were pretty hungry and we thought it would be a nice place to get some really good food. So I enjoyed some food here. I got some couscous, some vegetable balls, and then just had a nice drink. Then we explored some rooms here in IKEA just to see what the Scandinavian decor looks like, and if IKEA in Scandinavia is any different than the IKEA we have here in Manchester. And then so on the way out from IKEA you have to have a nice hot dog. So I enjoyed a vegan hot dog here. It was really nice. And after exploring IKEA, we headed straight back to the city center. Then we took the train to go to the airport because we had our flight to catch in the evening. So the trip to Bergen was really beautiful. I hope you enjoyed the videos from Bergen. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and turn the notifications on so you won't miss my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.